Hey, what's up guys? I want to do something different today. Somebody recently pointed out to me that I haven't done vlogs on my channel in quite a while. And yeah, I agree. I haven't done that in quite a while and I really want to keep that going on my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys something cool that's happened. Actually, not something that's happened, something that I've recently purchased, and that is a new chair. That is going to fix a big problem that's been happening on my videos since probably day one. The squeak, I'm sure you guys have heard it.
The squeak.
Yeah, it's not good, it's not pretty, and it doesn't make for good videos. So I have recently ordered a brand new chair, and guys, by the looks of this thing online, this thing is really cool, and I can't wait to put it together because it doesn't come assembled, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to put this thing together, and I'm gonna let you guys maybe watch that a little bit, me putting it together, and then once I get it fully built, I'll share it with you. And then I'm gonna share with you a few other things that I have that are pretty cool as well. So let's get right into building this thing, shall we? Wow, this part right here, this is really confusing. I don't know what they're wanting me to do here. Oh well. Enough of all that screwing with my hands. This is gonna help. This is a really tough step right here, because you really have to squeeze this thing in together to get this bolt into the hole. Wow. Okay, let's try that again. So anyway, there it is, guys. I've got it all put together, and this thing is great. I love it. Look at this. I can go to sleep on this thing if I want to. But anyway, it's pretty cool. I mean, I can lower myself, raise myself up. This, of course, you saw the recline on it. It has lumbar support, neck support. It's pretty cool and it's pretty comfortable too. And I can move around however I need to. So yeah, cool. Hey, no squeak. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna put the link to the product in my description below so you guys can go check it out if you want to. It's on Amazon, so pretty easy to find. But let's get into showing you some other things too. So here's a few things that I got for Christmas. One is a Yeti cup or drink cup or whatever. It's got my favorite college sports team logo right there on the front. And my drinking cup. That's pretty cool. I love Volkswagens. Love German cars. So there's my Volkswagen cup. Of course, my Japanese mochi. Love mochi, red bean mochi. Got a few pretty cool gift cards, Starbucks and iTunes and Red Lobster, and of course there's Amazon. All that's really cool. And then this right here is something that I have been wanting for a while, and because I need to get my unfit self back into shape like I used to be. And I haven't been doing a whole lot of exercise lately because, you know, sitting and playing games and making videos, it's fun, but it doesn't give you a lot of exercise. So I'm gonna start by using the Fitbit and getting back on my mountain bike and doing a little bit of running also and get myself back into shape. So that right there is gonna help me. So that's pretty cool. That's what I had to show you guys. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope that I can do more of these if you guys enjoy this. I'll show you around, do a few other things with you, kind of let you in on my life here. So anyway, until next time guys, click that subscribe button for me if you don't mind. Like the video if you really like it, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. What do you want to see me do? What do you want me to tell you about? So here I am guys, let me know. See you next time, bye. What's up guys? I wanted to show you something really quick, but I know it's been a while since, just recently, just a few days ago, I got something in. No, let's do this over. What's up guys? Hey, I'm not looking at the camera. What's up guys? I want to share you, and I want to share you now with somebody else. That's what I want. And I want to show you what's over here in this corner here. And I want to make sure that I can get that in the video in this corner, and the acoustics are going to be echoey.